Okay, in class, as a review on the first review day, I'm going to do 3 short notes with the class. And I've labeled them review 1, 2, and 3, except I'm going to go out of order and do review number 2 first. So this is all no calculator stuff. And we want to just follow the directions and rewrite and evaluate these logs as necessary. So the first one, notice it just says rewrite. Okay, rewrite does not mean solve. It just means write in a different form. So we want to write it as a log. So to do that, I'm going to have log. This number becomes my base 7, and then I flip the x and the 35. So I get log base 7 of 35 equals x. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing. On this one, I do log base e, but we don't write log base e. We write the natural log, and then the x and 99 switch sides of 99 equals x. Okay, now again, rewrite. Rewrite just says put in a different form. There's no solving at all. This one wants us to write as an exponent. Okay, so we can do this. So if we read that log base 8, that's my base. And then these switch signs. So 8 to the 18th equals x. Over here, I had a 4 to the x equals 41. So I don't care what the answer is. We're just rewriting them. Okay, this one, write as an exponential function and evaluate. Now this one we have to do more. So on this one, I'm going to rewrite this. So this would be 6 to the third equals x. And if we look at our powers chart, 6 to the third is 216. So I get 216 equals x. Over here, this one's going to be 25 to the 1/2 equals x. Anything to the 1/2 is the square root. The square root of 25 is x. Over here on number 7, this would be 8 to the 1/3 equals x. So this would be anything to the 1/3 is the cube root, and the cube root of 8 is 2. Number 8, this would be 4 to the negative third equals x. And the way we make x when it's positive is we're at 1 over. So we have 1 over 4 to the third. And 4 to the third would be 64. So we have 1 over 64 is our answer. Now, on the next two, we're not actually solving for our x or solving for a variable. We're trying to figure out what this is, the value is. And the way we can do it is to think of it as an exponent. So we have 5 to what power gives us 125? Okay, well, 5 to what power gives us 125? Well, that answer would be 3. So that means that this value here is equal to 3. It's not that we've solved for x. Again, same idea over here. Log 3 to the 81 equals what number? Well, that means 3 to what number equals 81. And if we think about that, that one you may not know right away, but you got your powers chart. 3 to the third is 27. 3 to the fourth is 81. And so I know this has got to be 4. So now I know that log base 3 of 81 has a value of 4. Okay, last one. This part's easy. We're going to rewrite as exact answers. That means no decimals. So we're not going to punch it into our calculator. We're going to stop before we get to our calculator. So in this one, if I'm rewriting as a log, it's going to be log base 6 of 127 equals x minus 2. Well, to finish it, I got to get x by itself. So I'm going to add 2 to both sides. So that's going to give me log base 6 of 127 plus 2 equals x. Same thing on number 12. Number 12, I would rewrite that as log base e, but we don't write log base e. We write the natural log of 95 equals 5x. So to solve, I'm going to divide by 5. So I can say that x equals the natural log of 95 over 5. Now, if I put in the directions round to the nearest thousands, then you know you're grabbing your calculator. But exact answers don't require a calculator because there's no decimals in it. We're just rewriting it and showing what the value is in terms of x. Okay, this is review number 2. So in class, I'm going to do review 2, then review 3, and then review 1. So if you're watching the videos, that might be the best way to watch them, but you can also just watch whatever you need.